To delete the YouTube search history all at once or at one click, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing which you need to do is that make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of strong data. And after that, you just need to open the YouTube app. So after opening the YouTube app, this is the home page of YouTube where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as at the very upper taskbar. Now to delete the recent searches or delete search history on YouTube at once, you just need to simply tap on the option of search icon at the very top right, and you just need to simply long press on the option if you want to clear it one by one. But if you want to clear it all at once, then you just need to go back to the profile page, and from here you just need to tap on the option of settings like icon, and from here you just need to scroll down until you see the option of manage all history. So after clicking on the manage all history, you will be taken to the page where you'll see the option of saving the YouTube history auto delete on certain time. So you may simply tap on the option of 3 months and all of it, or if you want to delete it like that. And if you want to delete it today, and if you want to delete it of all time, then you just need to tap on the option of delete all time like this, and it says confirm you would like to delete all the following activity and all of it. So click on the option of delete like this, and if you go back to your YouTube account and click on the option of search, you'll be able to delete all of the recent searches like that. So that's it. That's how you can clear the search history all at once on YouTube. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.